Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I'll be introducing 6 different techniques of pencil shading. So let's get started. Our first technique is tonal, which we've already covered in the previous session. It is a very basic technique of pencil shading in which we shade in a particular direction, controlling our pressure. Let's move on to the second technique, which is hatching. Hatching is a simple technique in which we perform strokes with our pencil in a single direction. Always make sure more the number of strokes, more will be the value. Next technique is cross hatching. It is similar to hatching where we hatch in a single direction initially and then we fill up the strokes overlapping each other by making strokes in the opposite direction. Make sure you perform dark hatching and light hatching, keeping the value in your mind. Next technique is stippling. Stippling is actually fun, but it takes more time than any other technique. In stippling, as you can see, just add on dots, keeping the value in your mind. Make more number of dots where you want the value to be high. Our next technique is scumbling. It is fun to do scumbling where you just need to scribble Our next technique is smudging. Make a tonal value and then use different materials for smudging. Make sure you do not use your fingers when you smudge. It's often seen that people use their finger for smudging. So here I'm using earbuds. You can see how the texture is turning out to be smooth. We can use a brush. This gives a smooth finish. My personal favorite among all is the paper stumps. Smudge the entire box, keeping the values. You can see the difference between the tonal value and the smudged value. Practice this exercise of drawing straight lines, holding your pencil in such a way that I've held it. When you use your wrist on the paper and a tripod grip, your lines get limited and you end up drawing lines like this. Instead, twist your hand. Try to use your hand with maximum grip, rotating it. Use the maximum area of your graphite portion. This is a demonstration of how smudging helps you in your shading. You can see how the finishing is getting smoother. So keep practicing daily and enjoy doing.